So right in front of me, we have the brand new 2025 Lowrider ST, and we have it in two trims, in all black, and now brand new for 2025 in the chrome trim in that burst blue. Looks absolutely beautiful, just amazing. But you can't go wrong with the all black trim on the left side. It just looks so clean. As you can see here from the rider's perspective, from the cockpit, there's a lot of differences you can notice right now. Both the top and bottom triple tree are gonna be in that gloss black right now. It looks super, super nice. I love that clean look. It obviously looks really nice with all the chrome around it. Just really, really special. The riser right here just looks really nice. As you can see back here on the black Owl Edition, as we're used to seeing, everything is wrinkled black on the top tree, wrinkled black on the riser as well. Both are great options, but I just really love that new chrome, as you can see right there. We're gonna have more of that wrinkled black on the tank dash, as you can see right here. FX LRS T badging, wrinkled black on the tank dash. As you can see right here, we got all chrome. Man, that thing is just gleaming. Looks really, really, really clean, real pretty. We got a front profile view right here, side by side. The chrome one just yells out, I want to ride. There's a lot of changes this year on the Lowrider ST, which we'll try to recap a little bit on that as well. But as you can see right here, we have brand new wheel colors this year. We no longer have the bronze wheels. The chrome one has a two-tone wheel pattern, and on the blacked out version, obviously all blacked out. That's a matte black at that as well. Looks really nice, real clean. Chrome mirrors on here, black mirrors on here. Yes, still the same mirrors as we had it before. Going away to the side, you're gonna have a side profile of the all blacked out right here. It just looks so clean. Everything's just super blacked out. It looks awesome. But then again, that chrome looks great as well. It's just really cool to see these bikes side by side. Now we're getting to see more of that detail on the black version. On the rear tail lamp, everything is blacked out. On the chrome, everything's chromed out. So I'm pretty happy that you can kind of see the difference on all little details around the bike. When it comes to the blacked out and the chrome version. Harley Davidson badging on the tank that we've been seeing for the past few years, and then brand new for this year, we got this new tank graphic look. It looks great, man. It's just real 80s, real retro style. It looks great. I really love the way everything just fits in there. It goes perfect with the chrome option as well. It's just very, very well put together. As we all know, this bike this year comes with the high output Milwaukee 8 engine, 117. The engine is a beast. It's packing a ton of torque. It's fun to ride. It's very agile, very flickable. It's just a real fun bike to take out and just rip on it and have a great time. LED turn signals this year, brand new, front and rear. Finally, thank you Harley Davidson for that. We got a brand new setup right here for LCD analog. Brand new for this year, we got brand new controls as well. So on the right side, we're gonna have your on and off button, dual turn signals, traction control, mode button on the right side right there, which is awesome. Right turn signal, left turn signal, horn, your trip button, cruise control button, high beam, low beam, flicker right here on the left side, which is great. The speedo is really easy to read. Everything is right in your face. Everything is really, really easy to access if you are trying to press any buttons or whatnot. Real easy to scroll through and just see everything. Brand new for this year, we got tire pressure monitoring, which is awesome. Great asset to have on the bike as well. So you're able to see your tire pressure for the front and the rear. Now, a lot of people complained in the past about the small LCD screen that this bike previously had, and now we have the new refreshed LCD analog on here, which I think looks great. Both options are awesome. I have the small speedo on my bike, and I love that thing. But now with all these new different options that we have on here, it just needed more space to kind of view. And it looks great. It looks really good. We have this brand new 2-in-1 exhaust this year. They did away with the 2-in-2 exhaust, and we'll talk about that in a minute on the reason why they did that. But looking at the chrome trim right here, there's a lot of pieces that were chromed out that look great on it. And now talking about that 2-in-1, reason why they did that, we now have the saddlebags, which are the same size on both sides of the bike. As we know, the right side of the bike that bag was smaller due to the high clearance of the 2-2 exhaust. That's the reason why we couldn't have the same symmetrical bags. Now, this year we have the same size bags, 2-1 exhaust, gives you more clearance. Bike looks great. To me, that wasn't a deal breaker, but for some people it was. But I'm really happy they corrected that. And the bike just looks really, really nice. We also have a brand new redesigned rear tail light this year as well. Looks really, really nice. Profile looks really good, real clean. If you're wondering if it's very visible, yes, the light is very, very visible, very bright. Just all the details, everything that everybody complained about this bike before were fixes here for the brand new 2025 refresh. And if you guys want to see an in-depth review of the bike, I have a video riding the Lowrider ST, and I also have a separate video doing a walk around. I'll tag those videos towards the end so you guys can click on them and watch them. I go into depth into everything, ride, review, just everything that you need to know about the bike, everything that's new. And there's a ton of stuff. From a distance, you might not think that there's much of a difference, but there's a ton of stuff that they changed for this year. A ton of upgrades. The refresh was well needed, and I'm just happy that, you know, the company listened to the consumers, us, and we're getting a better Lowrider ST than we had before. We're out here in Austin, Texas. Thank you for Harley Davidson for bringing us out here. We had the privilege to take these bikes out and just test them out, go over all the new features that it has, and ride them through this beautiful state right here. And just really happy that I was able to do this. On another note, I had a big issue with my audio, so this is why we did it in overvoice. And I hate doing this, but yeah, it's not that organic for me. I just don't like the feel of it, but I wanted to give you guys this content. I know a lot of you guys want to see the side-by-side. You guys are interested in buying this bike and you don't know which one to go with. If I was buying this bike this year and I was going with chrome, it would be this burst blue right here. It just looks really, really, really nice. And if I was going with the blacked out option, it would either be the Iron Horse metallic, or you just can't go wrong with all black. It's just really nice, and the red accents this year just make it pop even more. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe. Peace.